Good morning and welcome to our first podcast. I am Kenny Lemus, a health educator here at Just Beat It. Today, I want to share information with you about what is insulin resistance and prediabetes, and how our program, Just Beat It, will help you understand how this is a lifestyle disease and how you can prevent type 2 diabetes. Let's start with what is insulin. Insulin is a hormone made by the pancreas that helps cells to absorb glucose so that it can be used as energy. With insulin resistance, cells cannot absorb insulin well, which makes your pancreas do more insulin that builds up in your blood, increasing glucose levels higher than normal, but not high enough to be diagnostic for type 2 diabetes, which is referred to as prediabetes. If you are here today, it means that you have insulin resistance or prediabetes. Let me tell you that you are not alone. There are more than 86 million Americans 18 and older just like you. That is 1 out of 3 adults. Unfortunately, 9 out of 10 of them don't know they have it, because this disease barely shows signs. The most common are black spots behind the neck and armpits, feeling tired and tingly toes. Most of the time, we don't go to the doctor for these symptoms. And one of the reasons is because we do not feel sick and we still can do our daily activities. People with family history of diabetes, sedentary life, and overweight or obesity are at risk to develop diabetes too. Although you can't change genetics, you can change your lifestyle to prevent, reverse, and even turn diabetes 2 into totally remission. Dr. Sikavisa, a specialist on diabetes and the director and creator of Just Beat It states that losing weight about 10 to 14 pounds, 30 minutes daily exercise, and eating healthier food reduces the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Now let me share Kate Lee's experience, one of our program participants. The day I met Kate, she expressed that most of the time she was not feeling well, having headaches, congestions, and tingly toes. When she finally went to the doctor, she was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. At that point, she enrolled to the gym and started going every day. But after a month, she didn't see results, so eventually she stopped going. She tried many different exercise classes, such as Zumba and CrossFit, but still she kept quitting. Kate has been with us for 6 months and has lost 12 pounds, changed her eating habits, and blood sugar levels has decreased. She found with us a community that understands her problems and didn't feel alone or judged. Our coaches and support group have helped her to not only lose weight, but also to change her lifestyle. Just Beat It is an evidence-based lifestyle change program with the goal to prevent or reverse type 2 diabetes. This is a 12-month intensive lifestyle change program with 16 weekly and 6 monthly group sessions. The sessions are facilitated by trained lifestyle coaches that encourage, coach, and motivate participants to adopt sustainable lifestyle changes, focusing on behavior change, healthy eating strategies, ways to become more physically active, getting 150 minutes of physical activity per week, and losing about 5 to 10% of your weight. Without intervention, People with prediabetes will develop type 2 diabetes within 5 years. This is why it is important to learn about it and take action now that you know that you are at risk. After a month of changing your lifestyle, you're going to feel the difference in your health and the way you're going to feel. I really hope you enjoyed this podcast. You've learned a lot and you're going to now take this information and put it into action. If you want to get into our coaching program, you have to go to justbeatit.com or give us a call at 801-555-5555. Thank you for coming. Have a great day.